Generative insights. Served. Sprucely. Today we are showcasing Sprucely.io, a new hybrid cloud service that automates your data insights pipeline. You can create interactive decision intelligence from your data and share in the cloud or on-premise in seconds. We start by creating a new flow where we define the input data source. Sprucely will automatically determine the best way to import the data, but allow you to customize it as necessary. Sprucely takes contextual cues from you when importing the data. That helps it to tailor the automatically generated report to your area of interest. A dashboard is automatically generated from data analysis and your priorities, but can be customized fully in the dashboard editor. In this case, we use simple click and drag and drop to make a few adjustments before publishing our dashboard. We can now directly share the dashboard via email to our peers. Our input data is now a live interactive dashboard that can handle millions of data records in real time. Sprucely will seamlessly serve users, your web pages, and your document resources with the data intelligence reports that you decide to share. Start now at www.sprucely.io